Bob here from the Flanagan Homestead. Welcome to episode 2 of my Hobbit House build for my campground. Today's episode is going to cover the building of the foundation and pouring the foundation, getting ready. I know that you're looking behind me and saying, well, it's a lot farther than that. Yeah, I'm recording this now and I'm going to put it out, but today I'm really excited because what I'm going to, and you'll see later episodes, is I finally have the vapor barrier, the moisture barrier on top of the Hobbit House. My excavator's up there and I'm going to start burying this, and instead of it looking like a dome sticking out of the ground, it's going to be covered into the earth, and I'm more excited than a minion told he's going to steal the moon. So anyway, enjoy the episode. This is building the foundation today. Check, subscribe, and follow, and you'll see all these future things, including burying the Hobbit House in soon-to-see episodes. Okay, I've been working on other projects for a couple days, so I have been working on this for a little bit. My goal today is to get the final grading done and get the forms built. This is a form that is big enough for the slab that the Hobbit House is going to sit on. But I will also do a monopour with the foundation, so around the edges where the boards are, it will be deeper, so it'll get more of a foundation effect. Couple different thoughts on when you're putting the stakes in. If you put them lower than the top of the board, then when you're screeding the cement you don't run into them. It's not going to be that big of an issue here, but the farther you put them in, the harder they are to get out as well. But we're going to put this one below the surface. Alright, currently I have only one stake in each corner, temporarily holding it there. To start to the hold, I have staked it down and I have a level on all the form boards. I have measured square corner to corner, and I've put the speed square in. Double check, everything's square, everything's level. Let's put some more stakes in. Gonna put at least 4 across the front. Got to secure this as we're pouring concrete over the top of this wall. Make sure it's nice and strong. Putting the metal ones in here because I'll know I'll be able to get them back. Some of the wood ones, if they're on the back side close to that wall, might just be cutting them off. Sink this again below the top. Alright, form boards in place, staked, screwed in. I'm going to have a 4-inch slab through the middle here. I'm going to do a monopour, and I'm going to have the footing and the slab poured in once. I'll have some rebar in here. So I'll make this a little deeper along the edge here. This side over here and this side over here are actually the two sides that are going to hold a lot of the weight. So I'm going to take my excavator here and blade this, loosen this up so that we could get a little bit more depth here, get some rebar in there to add some strength there, and then this side as well. We'll do a little bit on the front and back, but it's really not bearing as much weight. It just needs to be a good slab. As I'm digging the perimeter to make a stronger footing, make sure you subscribe to the channel because you'll want to see the following steps. it was really interesting to see how I designed the trusses, and it took a couple attempts to build those strong enough. And also the bearing of the Hobbit House, once the trusses are on, was a really fun day. Thanks for joining me on the Flanagan Homestead, where Christmas trees are my business, teaching and cleaning horticulture is my job, and outdoor projects like building the Hobbit House are my passion. Hope to see you again soon. Be blessed, everyone.